What's up YouTube, Max here from Kleis Car Audio. I'm going to give you a quick run around this job that has just been completed. We cover all types of cars here at Kleis Car Audio, so this is something a little bit different to what normally gets posted on our YouTube channel. This is a Vauxhall Corsa 2013, I believe this is the D model. We've added a stereo, front speakers and also a little subwoofer to this vehicle. So I'm going to just start in the boot of the vehicle. This Alpine 8-inch subwoofer is a fantastic woofer. If you've never had a subwoofer before, you've got a little hatchback, that produces a fantastic amount of bass that really makes a difference to any car audio system. So if you want a little bit of bass, that is definitely great. Doesn't take up a great deal of space, as you can see. Now also in the back of the vehicle, we've got the front speakers. So we've fitted new Hertz Uno components. So that's the speaker at the bottom of the door and the tweeter at the top of the door. Now, as you can see, these factory speakers, yes, they're about 10 years old, but they've obviously gone through a hard life. They're very perished. The noises that were coming out of these speakers before was practically just farting noises, so not very nice to listen to. You've also got the factory head unit there because we've installed the new Sony XAV4050 system, which is a wireless Apple CarPlay system. I'm gonna go and show you now. Hopping into the front of the vehicle, this is actually a really nice spec Corsa. It's actually got heated steering wheel and heated seats, which you don't often come by. Definitely was in need for a new head unit. Here's the Sony system. I'm just gonna turn on the ignition now. So this Sony brings you DAB, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, lifts the interior. Fantastic little upgrade to this car here. It's just kicked into the wireless Apple CarPlay, so that my phone's just in my pocket and that's literally just gone into it. It is so easy. Now this head unit brings you nice features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB, little area that we stick on the window there. That's what's picking up the DAB frequencies. You also have the ability to add a reverse camera to the stereo system if you wanted to. Now this stereo works, you can control the volume from the steering wheel via the controls here and also skip forward and back tracks. The new speakers that we fitted, they're all fitted behind the factory grille, so you don't see anything. Most of our customers, they don't want to see any speakers on show, they just want it to look factory, sound a lot better, and that is definitely what we have achieved in this installation. I have to say the amount of bass is massively improved because of that Alpine subwoofer. You've got real good quality and clarity to actually the sound of the vocals and instrumentation, so that's a massive improvement. In the glove box we put a little control which allows you to adjust the low pass filter and the gain on the subwoofer, although you can also control that from the head unit. That's really it for this brief video. As I said, if you're looking to improve the system in your car, not looking to go down the route of heavy amplification or DSPs, this is literally just a nice set of speakers running off a nice quality Sony head unit with an active subwoofer in the boot, so fairly straightforward to install, and it has made a massive improvement. That's pretty much all for this video from Kleis Car Audio. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, hit us down in the comments below. If you want to see more of what we do on our channel, have a look at other videos on our YouTube. Remember to like and subscribe, and we will see you again soon. So thanks for watching, take care and goodbye.